Welcome to CarFusion, the hub of automotive excellence, where innovation meets style and power meets luxury. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP Edition. A van that's not just about transporting people, but about doing it in absolute comfort, class, and style. If you think vans are boring, the Hiace VIP is here to completely change your mind. Let's unlock the beauty, brains, and boldness behind this luxury van experience. From the outside, the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP demands attention. This isn't your average utility van. It's a statement, sleek, refined, and purpose-built for those who settle for nothing but the best. Toyota has sculpted this van with a bold front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a massive chrome-dipped grille that screams power and presence. Chrome trims outline the body, giving it that executive look, perfect for luxury travel, high-end shuttle services, or business-class road warriors. With premium 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels and a commanding stance, this Hiace looks just as ready for a 5-star hotel lobby as it is for a highway run. It's long, wide, and aerodynamic, and yes, it turns heads. Now step inside, and prepare to be amazed. The Toyota Hiace VIP's interior is where the real magic happens. Think private jet, not passenger van. Inside, you're greeted with luxurious captain seats, complete with reclining functions, massage settings, footrests, and premium leather finish. Ambient lighting lines the ceiling, walls, and foot panels, creating a calm and high-end atmosphere. The cabin is ultra-quiet, with top-level insulation and noise cancellation, making every journey peaceful. Add an automatic climate control for all rows, personal reading lamps, fold-out trays, USB charging ports, and even individual entertainment screens. And you've got the kind of travel experience usually reserved for first class. Some models even come with a partition glass, separating the driver cabin from the passenger zone for true VIP privacy. This isn't a van. It's a moving lounge. Luxury without tech? Not in the 2024 Hiace VIP. This van is packed with Toyota's latest innovation suite. Up front, the driver gets a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and smart voice control. But for VIP passengers in the back? A full HD multimedia system, wireless charging docks, surround speakers, and remote-controlled lighting and temperature settings take entertainment and comfort to another level. And let's not forget, multiple Wi-Fi hotspots can be integrated, turning this van into a mobile office or a rolling entertainment suite. Whether you're headed to a business meeting or a weekend getaway, the Hiace VIP keeps you connected and in control. Under the hood, the 2024 Hiace VIP comes with two powerful options depending on the market. A 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine and a 3.5-liter V6 petrol engine, both built for smooth acceleration, quiet cruising, and long-distance performance. Paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or a refined manual gearbox, this van moves effortlessly, even when fully loaded. The ride quality is buttery smooth, thanks to Toyota's advanced suspension tuning and extra chassis stability. And with rear-wheel drive or optional four-wheel drive, it handles confidently across all terrains, city streets, highways, and even rough countryside roads. You get power. You get poise. You get the true Toyota experience. VIP travel means VIP protection, and the Hiace delivers. Toyota's Safety Sense suite includes features like pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, 360-degree camera view. Add to that front and rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, stability control, and 6 to 9 airbags, and you've got a mobile fortress. Whether you're the driver or the passenger, safety is never a second thought in the Hiace VIP. What makes the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP truly exceptional is its flexibility. It's ideal for VIP shuttles, executive transport, tourism, airport pickups, or luxury family travel. Whether you're a high-end hotel, a travel agency, a corporate executive, or someone who simply enjoys the best in road travel, this van fits your lifestyle. The seats can be customized, the cabin reconfigured, and extra options like mini fridges, conference tables, or ceiling-mounted TVs can be added. Whatever your need, this van delivers in style. In terms of pricing, the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP doesn't come cheap, but it absolutely justifies its price tag. Depending on the customization and region, you're looking at a range from $60,000 to $85,000 or more. But let's be honest, you're not just buying a van. You're investing in comfort, luxury, prestige, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Low maintenance costs, great resale value, and Toyota's widespread service network only sweeten the deal. So, is the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP just a van? Absolutely not. It's a rolling masterpiece, a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and class. It proves that luxury isn't just about sports cars or limousines. Sometimes, it's about how far you can stretch comfort on four wheels. This was CarFusion, bringing you yet another automotive masterpiece. If you liked this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive car content. We've got the road covered, and your dream car might just be in our next video. Until then, stay stylish, drive smart.